Tesla plant manager tips off affordable model production. A plant manager at a Tesla factory just tipped off the fact that the company will begin production of an affordable model in the coming weeks, all but confirming that a new car will be unveiled tomorrow. Tesla has been teasing some kind of product unveiling for October 7th on its social media accounts. It has now dropped two separate indications that a new product is coming on its X account. Fans have been anticipating two things: either the company's planned affordable model, which has been codenamed E41, or the Roadster, a long-awaited vehicle that Tesla has kept under wraps for much longer than it would likely care to admit. Tesla all-but confirms that affordable Model Y is coming Tuesday. Andre Thierig, Tesla's plant manager at the German production plant Gigafactory Berlin, tipped off what is likely coming tomorrow at the product unveiling, as he revealed during an internal event today that a light version of the Model Y will begin series production and deliveries in a few weeks. Thierig's revealing of plans was reported by Handelsblatt, a German media outlet. The description of a light version of the Model Y aligns with what CEO Elon Musk said earlier this year, as well as what we have seen on public roads, both covered and uncovered. Last week, we finally saw an uncovered version of what the affordable model likely is, as it was cruising around near Gigafactory, Texas, just outside of Austin. Tesla coding shows affordable model details, including potential price. Musk said earlier this year, candidly during an earnings call, that the affordable model Tesla planned to release was a Model Y. "It's just a Model Y, let the cat out of the bag there," Musk said. The images of what we assume to be the affordable model lined up with Musk's candid statement. It looks like the new affordable Tesla Model Y was spotted near Giga, Texas. Model Y body with the Model 3 fascia, no glass roof, and looks as if there is a front bumper camera. Tesla is expected to unveil its affordable model tomorrow during the planned event, which has been teased twice. Pricing and other details are still pending, but the company is expected to reveal this information tomorrow. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.